For this video, we're going to be looking at how to make use of transposing data. So this basically means switching our columns and rows. So let us use our small table here quickly, or our small little bit of data here. As you can see, everything has been ranked in columns, ratings are in a column, our titles are in a column, our votes are in a column. So now I want to change this so our rank flows in a row. Same with the ratings, title, and instead of typing everything out, we can just use a copy and paste option. So the quickest way to do this is to select our data. We go Control C for copy. We'll paste it in our second sheet here. So what we do is we select the top A1, we right click, we come down to paste specials. And if you have a look here, this last one that says transpose, you can see it shows the switch between columns and rows. That is what it looks like, as opposed to our standard paste version versus transposing. So that is how you transpose information. So everything is now in rows rather than columns. So that is how you make use of the transposing of information.